Now the information security competencies. Okay. Now IT professionals working in a role with the security responsibilities, okay, must be competent in a wide range of disciplines. Okay, from the network application design to you know human resource to procurement, everything. Okay, so as a information security analyst or information security, uh, you know, uh, what you can call in the information security role, basically, these things should be there in the person who claim to be the person within the organization to be responsible for the information security. Okay, so that person should know these things. Okay, should participate in risk assessment and the testing of security systems and make the recommendations. Okay, should specify source, install, and configure secure devices and software. Okay, should set up you know and maintain document access control. Okay, and user privilege profiles over there. Okay, should be able to monitor the audit logs, review the user privileges, and document all the access controls. Okay, should be able to manage the security related incident response and reporting. Okay, should be able to create and test the business continuity and the disaster recovery plans and procedures. Okay, should participate in security training and the education programs. Okay, these are some of the core skills and the competencies required for the information security roles. Okay, so all these things that you have over here. Okay, a little bit of introduction on each and everything is here in CompTIA security class. Okay, a little bit of introduction. We'll touch every aspect of the information security competency over here in security class in the later lessons or the sections. All right. All good. Should we move ahead? Okay. Now, information security rules and responsibilities. Okay. Now, overall internal responsibility for security, okay, that might be allocated to a dedicated department, okay, that is run by a director of security, okay, can be chief security officer, okay, can be the chief information security officer, okay, the responsible people within the organization. Okay, the responsible people. Okay, now see the responsibility of the cyber security, of the information security, it is of the top management. Okay, these are the two people from the top management. The CISO, the global one, and the chief security officer is also the global one. Okay, they have the responsibility of the security because they are the people, okay, who will define the policies within the organization. Okay, for the security, for the information security, for the cyber security. Okay, they are the people who are going to define. Okay, and if they miss anything, okay, then the responsibility is only of them, not the people beyond that. Okay, not the people down them. Okay, then it comes to the managerial roles. Okay, now managers may have the responsibility for the domain. Okay, like they are responsible to implement the things. Okay, for the domain, like they can go for information and related technologies over there. Okay, they can go for you know the departments, based on the departments basically. Okay, their specific department. Okay, like on top we have the board of directors, then we have the CEO, then we have the all the C-level executives over there. That is over here. Okay, just below them we have the managers. Okay, they are responsible for implementing the things. Okay, CISOs and CSOs are defining the policies. Okay, managerial people are defining the policies again, but based on this policy, based on the policy, based on the security policy. Like for example, a high level document, the policy defined by the CISO, defined by the CSO, or the top management will say that okay, you should use the strong password within the organization. That's it. Okay, one line will be there for the passwords, that you should use the strong password. That's it. Okay, managers are there to define that what is the definition of the strong password. Okay, what is the definition of the strong password? Managers are defining over there. Okay, then the implementation will be done by the technical team. Okay, the technical staff. Okay, they are going to implement and maintain and monitor the policy down at the ground level, basically. Okay, at the ground level, because managers will just understand the requirement of the people over here, the CSOs, CISOs, and the CXOs, or the board of directors and the CEO. Okay, they will understand the requirement. Managerial department, managerial managers, they will be understanding the requirement, and they are responsible for defining the policies. Okay, after the requirements of these people. Okay, and the requirement of these people will be a document named as policy. The overall policy of the organization will be defined by these people. Okay, overall policy. Then managers will be going to define the statements of the policy. Each statement, like one statement is use a strong password. That is one statement of the policy. Okay, managers are responsible to define the statement of the policy over here. That the definition of the strong password. Okay, like there will be a minimum of 14 characters. Okay, one capital and a digit and a special character will be mandatory. Okay, password history will be defined. Password age will be defined. Okay, that will be defined by managers. Okay, the definition of the strong password. Implementation of that particular definition will be done by the technical staff. Clear? Any confusion? Okay. Now, in the technical staff, these are the specialist staff basically. Okay. They are, as I said, they are going to implement the definition. Okay. Plus, they are going to maintain it, and they are going to monitor it if is being followed or not. If the policy, whatever they have implemented, is being followed or not. Okay. The information system security officers is the job title, you can say, for the technical staff. Okay, security administrators can be there, security analysts can be there. Okay, then it comes to the non-technical roles or non-technical staff. Now they have the responsibility to comply with the policy or any type of statement made by the organization. They're not technical staff. Okay, see, implementation is done. Okay, I am the user. Okay, I need to have a user account. Okay, and I need to set up the password. Okay, if the password policy says that we need to have minimum of 14 characters and one capital letter will be there, one digit and one special character should be there. So I have to do it. If I'm not complying, that is my bad, right? If I'm not complying to that policy, that is my bad. So my responsibility as a user, as a non-technical user, is to comply with the policy, to adhere to the policy. Clear? And then there is something called as due care and liability, due care or the liability. Okay, that is basically the external responsibility for security. Okay, that lies mainly with the directors or the owners. Okay, so it is the important note that all employees share some measure of responsibility. It's not only the responsibility of the owner. Okay, so due care And liability due care is you should implement something over there. Like due care is uh, you should have the antivirus, okay, implemented. That is due care basically. Okay, responsibility of the owners or the directors over here, they will define that, okay, we need security. You should use the strong password, the one statement only. Okay, that is due care. Okay, but that is not only the responsibility of the owners or the directors, that they will have to, they are responsible for that. Okay, they are only responsible to uh, state their requirement. Rest is managers, technical staff, non-technical staff. They need to follow. When they will follow, then then the security will be achieved. If they will not follow, then security is not achieved, right? So these people will then be accountable. Okay, these people will then be accountable. Okay, and these people will be responsible. Clear? Responsibility is always of a person who define the things. Okay, accountability is for the people who will follow. All right, who will comply to the rules and set of protocols that have been defined. Clear? Any confusion? Any question? I hope not. Not. So let's move ahead.